In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can transfer files between your PC and your ROG Ally X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but obviously this works great for save files, mods, documents, really any files that you want to move over. But begin by switching your ROG Ally X to Windows mode. You can do this by holding down on the Xbox button, and then from here you could select Windows Desktop down at the very bottom. Select that, it's going to load you over. It might ask you to continue first. Just obviously go ahead and hit continue and you're good to go. Hit continue, get loaded in, and as you can see, we are now technically in desktop mode right here. I definitely recommend using a keyboard and mouse for this part, and you can connect them using a USB-C hub or adapter. But once you're in Windows mode, go ahead and open up your Files Explorer just like so. Open it up, and just a reminder, the ROG Xbox Ally X runs Windows 11, so everything works just like a regular PC, and you're going to need an external drive, like a USB flash drive or an external SSD. Either of those would work. Just plug the external drive into the PC first, and once it connects, you'll see it appear under Devices and Drives and File Explorer. Open it up, and then from here you can copy any files that you want to transfer. For example, game save files, mods, documents, media files, whatever it might be. Just highlight them, hit copy up at the very top, and then you could safely eject the drive from your PC and plug it into your ROG Xbox Ally X. Open that up, go to the external drive, copy those same files, and paste them wherever you want. For example, you could paste them onto your desktop, into a specific game folder, into your documents folder. Just right click, hit paste, and that is it. Your files are now going to be transferred. It really is as simple as that. It really is easy as long as you kind of know what you're doing. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.